to go.
That's Cody with the drone, and we have Sophia.
Fine for sure.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a video shoot for my car. You guys are seeing it for the first time here on YouTube. I'm super excited to show you guys the car, but before I get into that, I want to just capture what's going on over here and just let Cody do his job. This is what he does for a living. If you guys don't know what he does, he's like the videographer for CarID.com. So yeah, I'm pretty fortunate to have a photographer, videographer as a boyfriend. So yeah. Fuck is that? Oh my god.
I need a stick.
Oh my god. Poor little thing. Oh, it stinks in here, bro.
Enjoying the scenery.
She's just
Crackhead barn and shit.
This does look like a crackhead barn. Apparently where animals come to die. There is like a bunch
Cemetery.
There's a bunch of graffiti all over the place. There's this like weird cabin in here. Sophia, you want to go check it out? Let's go. I wore the wrong shoes for this.
The wrong shoes. I'm gonna get tetanus in here.
Kind of scared, bro. Oh my god. What is this? This looks like one of those places where they put the cows and they milk the cows. You know what I'm talking about? Wow, I just broke my whole self-esteem. Let's get out of here. Ugh.
Are you ready?
Ready? Set?
Go.
What kind of camera is this?
This is a Blackmagic Ursa Mini, or it's a Blackmagic Ursa Pro 4.6K.
Interesting.
But we're not quite shooting at that since someone forgot to bring my external hard drive.
I'm sorry. This is why you can't trust me with things. Sophia has a FRS as well, but she's been playing fucking games. She needs to go wide body as well, and she's been playing.
I know.
When are you gonna do it?
Broke.
Broke gang?
Broke gang, hey?
Cody's due for a wash.
Hold this.
Oof, you trusting me with this?
You realize how heavy it is? You realize how heavy it is now? Imagine holding that all day.
Where do you want me to put this?
Just protect it.
At all costs?
Yeah.
You can't just lay it down how it was?
No. It ain't just it's heavy as fuck.
What the fuck?
This is literally
This is rape
mad
room.
creepy.
Oh
But
no.
we're vlogging, and Cody is taking pictures and videos of the couple.
What the fuck, man? Yeah, that used to be a pool table. What does it say? Be into... Yo, if there's somebody here, maybe we should just like talk a little bit and be like, hey, if there's anyone here, make your presence known.
Fuck you, I'm out. I don't fuck with that shit. Nope. I bet she's not getting pussy today. Not happening. I'm going to church.
It smells so bad in here. We found stairs. Oh my god, I'm afraid. Whoa. This is crazy. What's crazy is that there's random holes in here, and I don't really know what these are meant for, but if you guys know what they're meant for, leave a comment down below in the comment section and let me know. Oh no, Sophia disappeared. This is how fucking horror stories start. Sophia, if you can hear my voice, say aye. Okay, aye aye, Captain. I should just fall from down here. Yeah, yeah. What's good? These people came down over here and they saw that we were here and they did like a whole 360, and I thought that I was recording, but I wasn't. But what I was gonna say is that sometimes people come to abandoned places like this to do drugs and stuff like that. I mean, I don't give a shit, but they came on the wrong day, so sorry. He's my boyfriend. He does all videography and stuff.
What was?
No, what is it?
Right, over on the other side of the road, there's there's 485 acres. Fenced in, there's nothing there anymore. There's a state hospital for mental patients. If you go up that little road there, there's a little building up there. That's where Rawway used to house the criminally insane. I mean, the criminally insane? Real bad. This was the farm. They were self-sufficient. They raised their own livestock, barns and everything. This was the slaughterhouse. The slaughterhouse was there. They had an office here. They raised goats, chickens, turkeys. There's actually wild turkeys out here, deer.
Yeah, I think when we were driving by, I saw a couple like running around.
They raised cattle, and then out in here they used to farm. They raised their own vegetables, so they were self-sufficient. But it was all part of the old nut house.
Oh my God! When did it go? When did it shut down? Do you know?
1995. They tore everything down over here in '98.
Oh wow!
Up the hill was where Rawway used to house the criminally insane.
Oh yeah.
That's real good people. They used to have a murder about every month.
Oh no!
Never a staff.
So as you guys see, we got kicked out from the spot that we were in. Actually, the guy is still behind us right there in that little tiny lake. Cody's pretty upset. He's actually on the call right now. How are you feeling, babe?
Yeah, I just feel bad that like he's like a fucking wannabe cop that just has nothing else to do.
Take two. So we got kicked out from the other spot. Sophia and Cody, we found this like high school over here, and we're gonna be taking pictures right here in the center. We originally wanted to take photos in this like little, what would you call this? Overpass type of thing, but a bunch of cars keep coming in and leaving, as you guys can see, but nobody's coming down this way. So we pictured that this would be a better spot to take pictures in, but I think we kind of got the attention of a few people over there. Fuck. So this is the FRS. Yeah, a few things are different. I don't have the Rocket Bunny front bumper anymore. I have VLANs as headlights now. I can't wait to change this right here and put some white bulbs because this looks kind of weird, but nonetheless, we put Downstar hardware all over the car, and as well VMA did all of this for me, so shout out to them. This is Nardo Gray from the Audi S3, S5, I'm not sure, but it's the Audi color. And yeah, we still have the same wheels on. I am going to repowder coat them because I kind of like these wheels a lot, and I really don't want to wait 4 or 5 months to get new wheels rebuilt for me. So up until I get tired of these, I'm just gonna repowder coat them and call it a day. But yeah, she looks so good. Alright guys, so I think we're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.